Hitting the message limit on Grok right when you need it most? Don't worry, here's exactly how to fix it and get back to work fast. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand the problem. Grok has a message limit based on your plan. Free users have lower limits, while paid users get more usage. Once you hit the limit, Grok temporarily stops responding. Step 2. Wait for reset. Main fix. Grok uses a rolling time window. In most cases, your limit resets within 1 to 2 hours, so just wait a bit and try again. Step 3. Check your plan. Open your account on X. Go to Settings, Subscription. If you're on the free plan, limits will be lower. Step 4. Upgrade. Optional but effective. Upgrading to Premium or Premium Plus gives higher limits, better performance. Best for heavy users. Step 5. Start a new chat. Sometimes it's just a glitch. Open a new conversation and send your message again. Step 6. Refresh your session, log out, then log back in. Or clear app cache. Restart browser app. This can fix false limit errors. Step 7. Use backup AI. Smart move. If you can't wait, switch temporarily to Google Gemini, ChatGPT. This keeps your workflow going. Pro tip, use fewer smarter prompts. Instead of many short messages, send one detailed request to save your limit. And that's it. Now you know how to fix Grok AI message limit reached problem in 2026.